Did you like the job? We have some openings. I'm just looking for some good candidates.
Blue collar shirt and a baseball.
Do you type?
Even though Cagey only speaks baseball,
Oh, I don't speak that. I don't speak baseball language.
he was still able to impress the department heads.
Right on the door never locks and the noise never stops.
Then he found his new office,
Yes, there is a bird.
and he met his coworkers at Metapayment.
7 to 3, 3 to 11, 11 to 7.
Oh, give him a hug.
Shift work.
Who are you?
He brought back the high fives,
Oh, that busy convenience store clerk.
but at times had a little trouble teaching the pounding.
Going insane. She's mad.
Cagey loved his day at his new job, but he missed the ballpark,
For his gas and
and he couldn't talk. So he decided to retire. But his former Metapayment coworkers are always happy to visit Cagey at the birdcage.
11 to 7.
So if we come to the game next Friday, are they going to win? Okay. We'll be there. We'll be there then.
Big old pile of shit.